Hello, lovely family and friends. A warm welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing well by God's grace. We thank God for His mercy. So today, as you can see, freshly baked oats meat pie. Okay, so I've made this pie with oats and I've made it in two ways. Okay, so people looking for healthier options to enjoy your meat pie, please stay tuned and I'll show you how I made this. So yeah, as I mentioned, I said oats. So we have some rolled oats here, okay? So what I've just done is added some hot water, mixed it very nicely, and I'm going to set it aside. So whilst that is softening up for us, I'm adding here some all-purpose flour and some oats flour. I have some milk and baking powder, and then I have some nutmeg, onion, garlic granules, and then some salt. I'll mix this all together, and then I'll add my butter, right? Okay, so I'm going to be sharing all the measurements and the ingredients in the description box for you. Okay, so you mix it, and once it turns into some breadcrumbs, right, you bring back your oats that you've been soaking and you add it to it. Okay, so here the reason why I did that, just adding the water to it was a bit kind of difficult to bring the dough together. So once I soak it, you get this starchy consistency, and when you add it to your flour, it brings it together nicely. You see what I'm talking about? See that everything will come together very nicely. Trust me, my people, I have tried and tested this recipe several times, and when I thought of doing it this way, that was the only time it worked. Okay, right, so we'll put that aside, and whilst that is resting, we're going to do the second one. So the same ingredients, but this time we're only using just oats, right? So oat powder and the same spices we used earlier on. Okay, so and here I'm adding some of the rolled oats straight into the flour, and the rest of the rolled oats, hot water goes into it, and we'll set it aside for it to soak a little bit, and we'll come and bring it together as and we did the one with the flour. Okay, so you can just add oats to flour, or you can just make it. If you want 100% whole grain healthy, you make this one. Trust me, it's really good. Yeah, so you bring everything together again, or you mix everything together, right? And then you bring your soaked oats and you put it together, and then you got it. Yeah, you got it. This has not been an easy recipe, trust me. Just creating this recipe was like a headache for me, but I was determined and I got it right. So just for you, my lovely people, so that you don't have to stress, okay? Eat and be happy. Whether you like it healthy or you like it unhealthy, the old way, just enjoy yourself. Life is too short, okay? So here, we'll set that aside, and then we'll come back to roll it, okay? So this is the first one we did, the one with the flour, with the all-purpose flour. That is it. So we're going to be rolling in. Because that one has the flour, it's much easier to roll, to cut, and to mold. Okay, as you can see, just, it's easy. You just move it about, right? And here's my filling. Okay, so this, even though I call it meat pie, it is actually fish. Okay, in Ghana, you all know, say, every toothpaste, Pepsodent, every soft drink is Coca-Cola. They see meat pie as a fish nation. You see how nicely it's mold. We've been able to mold this. Look at beautiful, very easy. Okay, so yeah, the flour really helps. And here I've got some egg, one egg actually, and then I've added some evaporated milk just to egg wash it. Okay, yeah. So what I did here is to the usual kusum thing. Yeah. You just, egg wash it. And then I sprinkle some rolled oats on it just so that we all know, say, it is oats meat pie. And I'm also saying, what do you think? Yeah. So, yeah, I did that. And then I went straight into the oven. Here comes Mr. Wholemeal. Mr. Wholemeal. Mr. Healthy. Yeah. We're going to roll it. Yeah. Okay. So, yeah, you see it just broke because it is very difficult to bring this together with just water. So trust me, you need that oats porridge, per se, not porridge, but oat porridge, it's like, the soaked one, to get that starchy consistency, to bring it together. Okay, so here I'm cutting it in with a circle, something container. Hey, yeah. Okay, so here what I did was with this one, what I did with this one is I sprinkled some of the oats flour and a little bit of the rolled oats on my work surface. Okay, you see that I'm sprinkling it. Then I'll put the dough on it and I roll. So by so doing, it picks up the raw oats you see at the back and it just gives it something beautiful. Instead of me going back to sprinkle it on it, I just decided to do it this way. So you can actually do it this way. All right. So that is our pie done. Very easy, very healthy. You can see if you're eating a pie, it's only made with oats. Say, Charlie, this one when you eat, you never die. Ajay, Beboa, anything that you eat, you can die. Hey, you will die. Just say, when your time is up. Not now. You shall live to declare the good works of the Lord. Trust me. If you believe it, you can have it. So say amen to that. So here's my pie that has come out, and look at that nicely. It just, when it cools down, the consistency is amazing. It sets and it forms really beautifully. It's amazing. Okay, and then look at the inside. Everything is beautiful. You will love this recipe. Trust me. Just give it a try if you are into healthy eating. Okay, just helping people out there, or maybe you have other sicknesses or other illnesses that require you eating healthy stuff. This is very good. The filling too is fish, so it is very good. I have the fish filling recipe, so I'll link it for you to see, and the other one to look at it. It is so nice and flaky. You think I'm lying? You wait and see how this thing will break up with the moon. Wait to see you. You see the way I'm breaking it up easily, nice, and it just flakes like that. Look at that. It's beautiful. You will love it. Okay. All the measurements are down below just for you. I hope you love this recipe. Please like this video. Okay. Like this video, and I will definitely see you in the very next one. Bye.